Everything heavy when we step up. You can't hang with a gang, you a solo. Yeah, everything check, Constella.
Welcome, beautiful people. I am Chev. Be pretty to this channel. Welcome on GWAN. Make sure you are subscribed down below. In today's video, I will be reviewing a hair from LuvmeHair.com, and this is my first time reviewing a unit from this company. This video is sponsored, so I'm gonna show you guys what the wig looks like straight out of the package and my first impression, all that good stuff. So straight out of the package, this is a headband wig that I got in 24 inches, and it is in a natural black color. So if you don't know what natural black is, it's more like a 1B, almost number 2 color type of hair. And straight out the hair, the curls are popping. Okay, the curls are popping. It looks a little bit thin straight out of the package because obviously with the packaging and all of that. But once you fluff out the hair, it can get big as you want it to, because that's just the magic of deep wavy curly hair. What I like to do when I get my headband wigs or any type of curly wigs, I like to co-wash the hair. So co-wash is washing the hair with only conditioner, and I do this for 2 reasons. One is to get that new wig smell straight out of the factory smell out of the wig, and the next thing is to take out any type of loose hair that might be in the wig, because that's just normal with curly hair. Sometimes you find loose pieces of hair, so I do that, and it also softens the wig tremendously to give it a more effortless and beautiful curl pattern and completed look when I'm all done and dolled up. So with this wig, I got 5 headbands. So if you buy your wigs right now, you can get 5 free headbands with your headband wig. So this company is a affordable luxury brand. So you know, with human hair wigs, especially with past like 18 inches in length, they can get real pricey. So this company offers more of luxury high-end wigs at a more affordable price. So with all of that said, this is how the hair is looking after I have washed it and fluffed it out just a little bit. So there's nothing in this hair, just co-wash, and that's it. And the hair is just freaking soft. It is super soft, girl. I've been doing braids this entire summer. You guys saw me do the passion braids. I did the Fulani braids. I did soft locks. Like, I've been just doing a lot of braiding style this past 3 months. I haven't worn a headband wig in a long time, so we're about to get into it. So first thing I'm gonna do, of course, is to get the soup to the doop and the edges laid. You feel me? If you don't know, now you know. We like to do the soup to the doop over here. So if you're a part of the natural hair police and you don't like the extra baby hairs and all of that, like, I'm so sorry. I'm not super extra with it, but we like to do the soup to the doop over here. You feel me? Now the edge control that I'm using is this new edge control that I got at my beauty supply store. I saw this and the girl at the beauty supply store said it's really good. So I've been trying it. I don't know how I feel about it just yet, but this is what we finna use. Okay, now that the swoops are done, I'm just gonna take my wig cap and pull it forward a bit just to make sure that hairs are laid, and then I'm gonna just push it back. Now, one thing I will recommend with headband wigs, what I've noticed, is that when you wear a wig cap, because the headband wigs has combs on the inside, which is to help you, secure the headband, I wouldn't recommend wearing a wig cap if you're trying to go to like the gym, or if you're gonna do some type of high intensity activity, because the wig cap, from my experience, makes the wig slide in a sense because it's a smooth surface, right? So I recommend you using the combs that's on the inside of the wig. Use the combs, attach them to your little braids on the inside or your ponytail or whatever you have underneath the wig, because that will help with the security. I'm not about to do any high intensity type of activity. Okay, I'm not gonna be jumping around and doing all of that right at this moment. So I'm gonna just wear the wig cap because I don't want the combs to tug on my hair right now. So use the combs on the inside because that's what they're for, to help to grip and hold the wig onto your hair. We have the straps in the back to adjust the wig as tight as you want. And I'm loving how long this part of the strap is to help with the sticky part. So you can make it as tight as you want to. Get it nice and secured. And then I'm gonna just pull the wig forward. So under here, you don't want that to be showing, okay? You don't want your wig cap to be showing underneath there, so make sure you pull that baby down. And this is how the hair is looking thus far. Like, look at the curls, too. Look at the curls. Look at the end. The ends are not stringy at all. It is giving. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna add some Sleek and Shine anti-frizz serum to the hair. And if you're looking for some type of light oil to add to your wigs that won't weigh it down and make it look super dead and oily, this is the serum for you. And I also use it on my wigs if I'm applying heat. And this is why also I co-wash the hair, because it feels just freaking soft, okay? The hair feels soft. And again, it's 100% human hair, so as long as you take care of this hair, you do your co-washing, you keep it nice and clean, this hair will last you a very long time. So you see the difference between the hair straight out of the package and once you fluff it out. So don't let that super first impression of the wig fool you. The hair is compressed to be packaged. That's why it looks so thin. But baby, she is full. Okay, I got a pea-sized head, you feel me? So I don't need my hair to be any bigger than this. So now I'm gonna just show you guys the wig with the different color and style headbands that I got, just to give you guys a little perspective. Okay, so I think I'm gonna keep this headband on because it's giving fall vibes. It's giving a completed look. So this is the headband that we're gonna be sticking with this outfit, and it's popping. So now, like I was telling y'all with headband wigs, it's versatile. So I'm about to show you guys like a couple of styles that you could do with this headband wig. Okay, y'all, so this is the end of the video. Let me know what you guys think about this wig. Let me know down in the comment section which one of the styles that I did was your favorite look, because I already know which style was mine and my go-to. And as I said before, headband wigs are just super versatile, super easy to style. It is literally for everybody, for different age groups. It is just that type of wig. So if you're new to wigs, or if you're looking for in between protective styles, and you want something really easy, because this within itself is a protective style where you get to let your hair breathe as opposed to having something on your head for a long period of time. You can take this off, put it on, throw it on. You need to run to the store, you need to run, I don't know, do something, you need to run. It's perfect for workouts, it's perfect for vacation, it's perfect for the pool side, in the pool, anywhere you want to go. A headband wig is your best bet. All the details for this wig will be in the description box down below. Again, I got it in 24 inches, and the density of the hair, the pattern, the length, everything is just working for me. So that is all that I have for you guys today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at damnthatschev. And I'll see y'all beautiful people in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.
Heavy when we step up. You can't hang with a gang, you a fellow. Yeah, everything check, Constella.